If you are in weight loss diet or you starting to cut your pounds off, then taking right food at right time plays major role in losing pounds. In your daily diet, you eat different kinds of variety recipes in the name of snacks. Recent studies have been shown that eating healthy right snacks will lead to cut pounds most effectively. Here are the best snacks for weight loss. 1. Dried fruit. Quarter cup of dried fruit such as apricots, a handful of almonds and a few whole wheat crackers as healthier alternatives to the salty snacks, and sip plenty of water. 2. Oatmeal. Choose your midnight snack wisely. Specialists recommend a pre-slumber snack that is rich in carbohydrates and contains a bit of protein. This combination is said to increase the tryptophan levels in the brain, causing you to sleep healthy. Try low-fat yogurt with a sprinkle of granola, a small bowl of oatmeal, or a sliced apple with a bit of peanut butter. 3. Popcorn. Popcorn is high in fiber, low in fat, and delivers some protein. 3 cups of air-popped popcorn has 4 grams of fiber, almost 4 grams of protein, just over 1 gram of fat, and clocks in at 110 calories. This combination makes it a snack with staying power. 4. Chickpeas. They have a meaty texture and a nutty flavor along with plenty of satiating fiber and a little protein. Perfect when you are watching your weight. Try roasting them for a crunchy snack recipe for spiced chickpea nuts. 5. Bowl of cereals. Cereals are easy to digest and give you 200 calories per bowl. Pour in a little milk for extra tryptophan and protein. 6. Yogurt. For about 100 to 150 calories, you get the relaxing powers of tryptophan from the dairy as well as satisfying protein. Yogurt can help calm your stomach, so you are less likely to wake up with heartburn or indigestion and instead can score a good night's rest. 7. Apple with peanut butter. Apples have lots of fiber and a satisfying crunch. The protein in the peanut or almond butter also fills you up without feeling heavy in your stomach. 8. Carrots. Super nutritious with lots of crunch, these little orange guys will fill up long and enough so you doze off. Carrots are fat-free calories. 9. Cheese. One serving of this snack contains filling protein and fat, so you feel satiated and it only packs about 80 calories. Cheese also packs the amino acid tryptophan, which may help make you drowsy. 10. Almonds. One study found that people who chewed almonds thoroughly felt full longer than those who chewed the same amount of nuts fewer times. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.